Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm just doing a Dutch pour with paint and water only, as you probably read the title of the video. I did mix this paint here. It's Amsterdam's Payne's Gray with the Arteza Ultramarine Violet because I don't really like the Payne's Gray shade by Amsterdam, which is surprising because I love Amsterdam, but I'm just not a huge fan of their Payne's Gray. So I've added that to turn it more of a blue shade. And I've sped this up because you guys probably don't want to see me just spreading paint in real time. Okay, so we're doing a bigger canvas today. I have to say they're definitely a little easier. Not saying that this is like a fabulous Dutch pour. I do love it and I have a perfect spot for it in my house. But definitely the larger the canvas, the easier the Dutch pour, in my opinion. And I am using my little travel hair dryer that I've used it like twice, and I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but I'm getting better, so I'm not going to give up on it yet. I can't really recommend it yet, but I'm still working with it. So what I did do with my paints is I made them a tad bit thicker, the base paint, than I have normally been doing because the little travel hairdryer it's pretty powerful little hairdryer. So I made it a little thicker, and since I didn't want my paints to like mix the colors to mix too much. Another thing that I did is I poured my base. I don't even know if this was like a good thing or a bad thing or whatnot, but I poured my base and I kind of just let it hang out for 15 minutes before I started adding the colors. So I don't know. We're just trying it out, see if things settle down and just kind of chill out a bit. What else? Yes, but I do love this Dutch pour. However, I just blew it out, you'll see, and then I couldn't bring myself to even mess with it because I didn't want to mess it up. And you'll see the first few blows with the hairdryer that I did were pretty not so great, but it all came together. I think I love it. So you guys let me know what you think. Oh, what else? So I have the colors listed here. That's the Arteza Violet. For paint and water only mix, I just add the water and mix, add the water slowly, mix until I get the consistency that I want. I don't go by ratios because all paints are different. And I have had success with drying with the following brands: Amsterdam, Golden, Arteza, Pebeo, and I believe that is all the ones I've tried. Usually, like mostly all the paints that I use have worked, but I wouldn't go for a craft paint or anything like that. I mix it with just water because you'll completely lose the binder, and then and your painting it'll crack, craze, and all that. So yeah, if I use any other brands and have success with them drying, I will definitely let you guys know. Or if you've used any brands that I didn't list with just water and they dried nicely and whatnot, you can comment down below and we can get a combined list going. This is Amsterdam Persian Rose, the first time I have used that color. Amsterdam sent me like this giant box of all their like sample color set, and so once in a while I'll go in there and pick a new color and try it out. And yeah, what else? Join myself and Mark Gilday Art in our Facebook group, Pour, Scrape, Repeat. There is a direct link under this video in the description box below. You'll see here now, it's like I'm trying to control it a little bit more, and I want to keep my colors. I don't want them to mix too much and get lost in the white. So that was like a crappy blow. But like I said, I think the finished product, I think, is spot on for me, and I have the perfect spot for it in the house. Unless, of course, anybody would like to purchase this, I may let it go. Listen, it's like everybody's after my art. Just email me if you're interested. And yeah, you can find my email below in the description. So if you need to get in touch, check my email below. I will get back to you as quick as I can. I have 2 day jobs and a mommy, and I'm a teacher right now, so bear with me. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. There's going to be a close-up here, and then there's actually 2 close-ups, one with my lights on, and then the second one lights off, flash on, so you can see the shimmer, because it is gorgeous. And the bottom there, right where I'm at there, I was thinking that's going to be the bottom, and then it's going to go like vertical. So yeah, that was fun. And there's my studio, my kitchen, and this is my kitchen table. So you get a little glimpse of my little spot. Nothing special, but you know what? It works. And love, love, love. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I always get so nervous when I do these voiceovers. You guys already know that. I think I say that every time. If you even made it this far. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!